Hello everyone, welcome back to the IELTS vocabulary series by Tracks. In this video, again like my previous videos, I'm going to teach you 3 new words. And I do encourage you to watch my other videos on IELTS vocabulary available on our YouTube channel, Tracks Pakistan, so that you can enhance and improve your vocabulary for the IELTS examination. The first word for today is scrutiny. S-C-R-U-T-I-N-Y. S-C-R-U-T-I-N-Y. And scrutiny means examination. I will construct a sentence for you. I doubt that your strange sociology theory will hold up to scrutiny. The second word for today is cabinet. C-A-B-I-N-E-T, and cabinet means group of top government ministers. I will construct a sentence for you for better understanding of this new word. The cabinet met weekly to discuss the affairs of the state. The third and the last word for today is magnitude. M-A-G-N-I-T-U-D-E, which means great size. Again, like the previous 2 words, I will construct a sentence for you for better comprehension. The sheer magnitude of the soccer stadium was awe-inspiring. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more and join Tracks.